Hello, I am a student at Southeast Bangkok University, and I am here to review my assigned work for my professor in database. So basically, what I have to do is to implement BMI program in Python. That's what that's what I'm doing. So BMI is a score to show you how your shape, how your body, I don't know, good or bad. You can say something like that. Okay, so basically you just have your weight divided by your height, power of 2, and you get a score of BMI. You compare it to this bullet. Above 30 is too weight. Is kind of dangerous for you. It might come with a sickness of fat, something disease, something like that. Above 25, you're just have a risk of a disease and everything from a fat. Yeah. And above 18.6, that's normally you should be in this range of score. 18.6 to 24 is better for everyone. And below that is too skinny. So I have to work with two data. First is BMI measure. It contains just a measure of the user. So the user is the student, as you can see right here, and we have weight, height, BMI result. So my program have to create a window so these student can put their weight and height. When they press save the information or data, it will automatically automatic calculate your his or her BMI and show a result if that's dangerous or is okay for you. So, in class, the teacher teaches to use this Oracle database, and working with the Beaver is a toolkit. It's a tool to working the database. And the last thing is DB schema to create a relationship between the data in the database. As you can see in this picture, you can see table and entity and attribute, foreign key and primary key, a line that connect everything. The next thing is a Python code. So he gave us, uh, you can say it's a complete code of the prepare or what he teaches in class, and he have a challenge just like this that we have to implement BMI and working with the new data and implement that. So we have to adapt and change that code into something that working with BMI. So I'm gonna walk you through this page. All right. So this one right here, create a widget. You can think like this is yeah, you can think it's like this table, but a pop-up window in your screen have an ID, name, measure, date, and a blank that you have to fill out. So that's it. So this function is to refresh the table. So every time that the user put the information or data into the database from the program, you have to refresh it to get the new information. Even you delete it, update it, edit it, or insert it. That's it. This one is edit. Edit model. It's just a window. Think about it. It's a window that pop in your screen, and you can edit it. Like if you have this list, you click this one, Virginia, and it's gonna open a window. You can change the name, sorry, measure date, and you put weight and height. Press save button or cancel, whatever. And when you do that, it's going to automatically calculate the BMI. So this is a if else statement for if you editing or creating it. This is save button is called this function like this. To have a save button, use this function to insert the information or update it into the table in database. Also, you have to delete. So imagine this is a frame on the window that pop up on your screen. You double click, open a new window. You can change name, measure ID, date, and put weight and height. Press save. You got BMI and result. But if you right click it, like you can see, this is open delete model, right? So we search it. So here, button 3. So you click button 3, or it's just a middle button or the right button. If you can, you can change it from here. So when you click it, it's going to open a window that show a message that you sure to delete this. You sure? Then you press yes. Then it's going to delete it from the database. But I can show you when to compile it. I can show you the final result because something doesn't work properly, like this Oracle DB. Sometimes it works perfectly, and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. I'm trying to fix it since 3 a.m. I don't know, in the record screen you can see time, but right now, right when I'm recording this, it's 4 in the morning, 4 and 9. So I'm tired of fixing this. So I decided to just review it right away. So thank you, and hope my Oracle to be working soon so I can try this if it worked perfectly. Thank you so much for listening or watching.